So it seems that some executives just found out that AI costs money. And apparently this is big news to all these companies that bought into all the AI hype. Remember that they were all sold the idea that AI was supposed to replace employees, run 24/7, never complain, never take breaks, and basically become a magical unpaid employee that lives in the cloud. Until one little problem popped up. The bill came in. And now, according to this article that I found on Reddit, a lot of these execs are really surprised because they're like, wait, why is this so expensive? And it's just kind of funny because these are the same people that have been convinced and are trying to convince us that AI is going to be replacing workers and everyone in the workforce in a few years. So this is the article itself from Yahoo Finance. It's about the new KPMG surveys that came out where executives are apparently getting hit with sticker shock over AI cost. If you don't know about KPMG, they're one of the big global accounting consulting firms. They survey business leaders about corporate trends, spending, technology, and all the boring business spreadsheet stuff. So this isn't just a random Twitter poll, it's actually a corporate temperature check. And according to this article on Yahoo Finance, KPMG surveyed over 2,100 senior executives across 20 countries, and 29% of them said that they don't know where the growing AI costs were coming from. Newsflash. All these execs don't actually know what the work entails and don't actually understand how the things that they're buying affect and cost their labor and their work.
I'm not surprised,
Can you imagine being that manager or C-level exec that's telling everyone that AI is the future and how it's going to replace all the employees and save you a ton of money and, cut the bottom line so that they can profit more, and how this must feel for that person right now or those people? Well, the survey's telling you kind of how they feel. They're basically like, who ordered all this AI and why does it cost so much? It's real simple what happened actually, right? Because they thought it was going to save them so much time and money, all of these companies and these executives were making the decisions of, bringing on more AI and getting rid of more employees, right? In theory, it sounds great. Buy the AI tools, automate the work, replace people, cut costs, profit. But it just seems that cut cost part and the profit part are where it got a little hazy once these AI tools started charging on per usage basis rather than giving away the stuff for free or almost free. And they're starting to feel all those token costs and the server costs for running AI because it isn't just some magical thing that runs for free in the cloud. AI doesn't just run on hope and TED Talk energy. It has compute costs. It has server costs. It needs integration. It needs security reviews. It needs people to manage it and make sure that the output is correct and it's not just running amok. And if a company is using it at scale, every little task starts to add up. And the bigger the company, the more the task, and the bigger the bill.
This is basic math, but basic math is too easy for you burros.
And because of all these AI companies switching over to more usage-based, companies that were buying into all the AI hype thought that they were buying a hammer, but in reality, they were jumping in a taxi and the meter started running. The further they went, the higher that meter started to run. And the funniest part about all this is that these execs bought into all the hype. And the truth is that a lot of people bought into the hype, but there was a lot of us in the background screaming like, hey, you don't know what you're getting yourself into. Hey, you're trying to replace valuable employees that have domain knowledge about your systems and the ways things work with a tool that really doesn't know what it's doing. Because anyone that's familiar with how large language models work, they understand that they're just not really that smart. They're good at some things, but again, it comes back to knowing how to use them. But then when you took in all these tools and got rid of all the people that might actually know how to use them, now you shot yourself in the foot and you're paying the price. So again, it's really funny and very ironic, and can't help but kind of laugh at some of these companies that are now wondering what they're going to do because AI is getting expensive and they got rid of so many employees that actually knew how to do the work and understood what the company needed. So all that hype and these wonderful cost-saving tools are now becoming way more than they bargained for. And I think that was the biggest gap there, is that these executives and a lot of management weren't listening to the little people who kind of knew and saw this coming. It was foreshadowed. We knew that eventually this was going to bite them in the ass, and no one listened to us. But then again, a lot of companies don't listen until their pockets start hurting. And I'm not saying that AI is useless. These tools are amazing. They're great. They're wonderful. They make our jobs and our lives a lot easier. But at what cost? And how much of your life and job are you trying to automate? Because the truth is, eventually you're going to need people in there. And when you get rid of all the people and you buy all these tools and now you got high cost and no one to do the work, you're going to start feeling it. Companies need to understand, like, yes, these are tools that help your employees be more proficient, get stuff done quicker, and overall help them with their day-to-day tasks in order to make your company better. AI is not supposed to replace humans. So instead of AI replacing all humans, it's more like AI plus humans, AI plus consultants, AI plus cloud bills, AI plus training, AI plus cleanup, AI plus a very confused board of executives asking why the hell is this bill so goddamn much? So yeah, at the end of the day, is AI going to take some jobs? I'm sure. Also, is AI going to cost a lot of money for companies that are adopting it so heavily and relying on it so much and replacing workers with AI tools? Hell yeah, it's going to cost them a lot of money. And we're starting to see that. And think, this is just the beginning of this, right? A year ago, they were giving away AI tools and every startup had AI in it. And now every single company and website is trying to adopt AI. They're using it in places that don't make sense most of the time. And now they're starting to feel it. Some of us who knew are kind of sitting back and laughing now. But the impact has been real, and a lot of companies have been using AI as a scapegoat for laying off a lot of people recently. And there's a lot of fear mongering, and everyone is worried that AI is going to take their jobs. But now, when these bills start coming in and AI costs more than the employees actually did, a lot of these companies are going to start rethinking this. And you're seeing more and more companies having some AI regret where they got rid of a lot of their employees and try to adopt AI services to replace those employees. And now they're feeling that they need to hire those employees back, or they're realizing that these tools just aren't as capable as they thought they would be. And they cost a lot of money. And it almost makes sense to maybe bring back some of those people they got rid of. But, might be a little too late for some of them because people move on. And even though these tools are great and they keep showing up and more companies start trying to use them, you still need people to oversee this stuff. You still need human hands and eyes and brains involved in using these things and implementing these things, because at the end of the day, it's just another tool. Again, very funny and ironic to see that some of these execs and companies are starting to realize that. But the companies that wait too long and let AI run amok and make more and more of a mess and take in more and more cost are eventually going to be feeling it in the long run, because sooner or later, someone's going to have to go in there and clean up the mess. And if you don't have a human do it, you might create a mess that's going to be very, very difficult to clean up and very, very expensive. All right, that's all I got to say about this. I found it pretty amusing and wanted to just kind of share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.